Yo guys, my name is VIVAC and welcome back to another video here on this channel. Today, as you guys can see, it's not a gaming video or a reaction video. Today I'm going to unbox something. My package literally just arrived. The guy who delivered it woke me up, that's why I'm in my sleeping clothes. But let's get straight into the unboxing. Of course, the knife. Put it here. We got the index, and now it's literally just came out today here in Belgium. It's going to be the HyperCloud Stinger wireless headset. So we can put the box away and let's get straight into unboxing this. So it's a wireless headset. I can use it for PC, PlayStation. I'm going to tell what's on it. HyperX signature memory foam, a lightweight headset with 90 degrees rotation ear cups, swivel to mute noise cancellation mic, durable adjustable steel slider. So I'm going to open this box. First of all, we have something that says we can contact them if we have a problem with our product. A quick start guide. So, okay. Something else, I don't know what this is. And then I have to pull this. Okay, I'm going to put it like this. And pull it out. Other way. I'm not good at unboxing stuff, so yeah. Pull this. Oh, it looks nice with something else in it. Oh, okay, it does look nice. For what I first see. It does look nice, I have to be honest. Can we open this up? Okay. So this is what it looks like. We have a cable over here. It's probably to charge. And then the headset, but first the USB to connect it to PlayStation or PC. It's like literally yeah, a USB. So okay, it's from okay. This we have to put in our PC or PlayStation or whatever console you're using. And then the headset himself. Pull it out. Going to open that, and now we can pull it out without trouble. Okay. It looks nice. It feels nice. it's over ear, so it's good. And it cancels the noise outside. When I turn, it turns with me, so that's also good. I mean, like, yeah, first up, it looks a very good headset. We have a button, a scroll wheel to manage the sound, the volume. Here is the plug-in to charge and the power button. So, with the mic, you can put it down and move it around. That's very, very nice. It says when you pull the mic up, it mutes. So, my first impression of the headset is that it looks very nice, it feels very nice, and it also feels very nice on my head. So, I guess we go straight into the test. Okay, so this is how the microphone of the HyperCloud X wireless sounds like. I've already listened to the noise, to music, and it sounds like very good. So with the sound I'm very happy. The microphone I have not heard yet. So that is what I will be doing now, and I will put it in edit if I like it or not. But one, it feels very good on my head. It cancels the noise outside, so that's also very good. It's wireless, that's always a plus point. It wasn't that expensive for a wireless headset. It was 90 euros. So you can do the math, it's around $100, I guess. So yeah, the sound is very good, and now I will see how the microphone sounds like, and I hope I see you guys in the next video. Later.